today we're unboxing some Tokidokis and some Disney boxes. The Disney Princess box is the one I'm going to open first because it isn't actually a surprise. I thought it was going to be. So we can get Snow White, Ariel, Belle, Jasmine, Pocahontas, Tiana, Rapunzel and Merida. And we actually got Tiana. I ordered it online and thinking it was a surprise box, and it actually came already. So she's quite pretty in her green dress. Okay, let's unbox the Mickey and Friends. So these are the ones we can get. So you've got Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Pluto, Daffy, another Mickey, Chip and Dale, another Minnie, Goofy, another Pluto, and another Mickey. Okay. Let's see. So we have, I can never remember which one's Chip or Dale, so it's one of the chipmunks. Alright, and another box. Okay, and we have a Donald Duck. There, he doesn't want to stand up. There we go. All right, let's open this pink Unicorno Tokidoki Cafe Cuties. And these are the ones that we can get. Cherry Blossom, Macaron, Cafe Cutie, Brekkie, Bunny Sundae, Biscotto, Sprinkle Sprinkle, Fruitcake, and a Chaser Cafe Cutie. Pull the card out. Okay, we have what looks to be biscotti. Yeah, Biscotto Cafe Cutie. So let's look at the card, confirm that. I'll just show you this. And it actually doesn't confirm it, but it looks like Biscotto. And the last one is a Mermicorno from Tokidoki, and the ones we can get are here: Lifesaver, Paradiso, Sandy Castle, Summer Pop, Squiggles, Ahoy, Captain Pell, Jillian, and the Chaser is Captain Stormy. Okay, and it looks like we have Jillian, the Fisher mermaid. It's different. Okay, so this is everything that we opened in this little toy unboxing. Some Disney characters and some Tokidoki Unicorn.